to this Illella Zumba dance workout. This workout is actually sponsored by Dossier, one of my all-time favorite perfume brands that I have been raving about for a long time now. Dossier makes affordable alternatives to very high-end perfumes. Think your YSL, Tom Ford, Chanel, etc. The perfumes start at just $29 per bottle and they all come packaged very cute like this. If you open up the packaging, you'll see a little description card for the scent. This one is Aromatic Pineapple, inspired by a YSL perfume. And then inside the box, you'll see the big bottle as well as the small tester size. So you can actually try out the perfume for 30 days before committing to the big bottle. Now, Dossier is also completely 100% vegan, cruelty-free, and made in France. So if you want to try out Dossier, there are so many scents to choose from, and it'll make you smell good, feel good, no matter what you're doing, even after one of my dance workouts. So go check them out, linked in the description down below. Alright guys, let's get started!
One, two, three. 밤이 깊어져 단둘이 밤이 길어져 12시 까먹은 문제야 일렐라 해 일렐라 해 원워킹 밤은 깊어지고 달빛이 꽉 차올라 일렐라 해 일렐라 해가 뜨기 전에는 너를 떠보고 싶은 오늘 밤 이리 말까 이리 맘일까 별이 빛나는 밤에 너의 눈빛에 취하고 있어 아닌 척해도 티가 나 점점 이리 말까 이리 맘일까 모두 잠든 이 밤에 이 밤은 따끈해 또 놀라며 따라와 화끈하게 don't stop 또 따라봐 우린 야만 날려봐야 한만 잔뜩 성이 난 야수처럼 우르렁대 One, two, three 밤이 깊어져 단둘이 밤이 길어져 12시 까먹은 문제야 일렐라 해 일렐라 해 겁먹긴 밤은 깊어지고 달빛이 꽉 차올라 일렐라 해 일렐라 일렐라 집에 가지마 취하는 밤에 너와 밤거리를 헤매고 있어 모든 것들이 다 멋져 보여 이리 날까 이리 나날까 One, two, three 밤이 깊어져 단둘이 밤이 길어져 12시 까먹은 문제야 일렐라 해 일렐라 해 원목에 밤이 깊어지고 달빛이 꽉 차올라
Awesome job guys, a workout complete. If you want to make your very own priority workout dance request and access 40 plus exclusive dance workouts, be sure to check out my Patreon, linked right here. And then you can find a lot of other cardio dance workouts down here. Alright guys, thanks so much for tuning in and I will see you next time.